Installation. 1. Take out the filter and peel off a packaging film. Insert the filter. Clockwise turn it by 90 degrees, and cover it with a lid. 2. Cleaning the feed water tank. Fill it with water until water reaches the water line. Put on the feed water tank and cover it with the tank cover. 3. Put on the drip tray. 4. Power on the dispenser to start it. After all lights on the dispenser flash 3 seconds, the dispenser starts flushing. Flushing. 1. Automatic flushing for 5 minutes, and the screen will display, at the moment. After automatic flushing ends, the screen will display, L1. Discard water in the tank and refill it with water. 2. Manual flushing for 102 Oz or 3 liter. After water refilling, the screen displays after stops flashing. Press to dispense water for flushing, and the screen will display at the moment. After 1-2 minutes, the dispenser stops dispensing water, and the screen will display again. Please wait patiently at the moment, for the dispenser is filtering water. After stops flashing again, press again to dispense water for flushing. In the whole flushing process, the above steps will be repeated for 3 times. When the screen displays TDS reading, the whole flushing process is completed. Use guide. After flushing is completed, press the volume key to select desired water volume, and press to get water. When the screen displays L1, please change water in the tank instead of directly adding water to the tank. If the dispenser is not used for over 1 week or needs to be moved, it is suggested to empty the purification tank before use. Hold the volume key and the filter key at the same time for 3 seconds, and then press to empty the purification tank.